asked about making up the missed prayers. The fard, obviously, if somebody did not pray for so long. And we spoke about that before. We said there are two opinions. One which says you estimate how long that you have been praying, and you try to make it up with every prayer you are offering currently. And the other opinion, which I feel comfortable with, is that when the person was not praying entirely, then this person have exited the folds of Islam. So when he or she repented and they resumed the prayer, they would be required to say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Then start praying. And how to make up for those days, the Jahiliyyah and ignorant days, by sticking to offering the nawafil, the voluntary prayers, the before and after nawafil, the night prayer, the duha prayer, and the witr prayer, and so on. That will be sufficient. The two different opinions are presented, and you choose whatever you feel comfortable with. But if you stick to offering the nawafil after making sincere tawbah, insha'Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah will change your evil deeds into good ones. Well,